Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
With important economic data releases lined up, the next few days promise potential market volatility. Traders should review the upcoming calendar to prepare for shifts that could impact currencies, stocks, and more. As we monitor these updates, maintaining flexibility and readiness will be crucial. Market movements can be swift, and staying informed will make all the difference.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Wall Street advanced, reclaiming ground lost in Wednesday's sell-off as investors mulled a mixed batch of corporate earnings and mounting geopolitical concerns. All three major U.S. stock indexes were higher, with tech strength nudging the Nasdaq ahead of the pack. October is historically one of Bitcoin's best-performing months, but this year, BNB is stealing the show. Meanwhile, BNB, the native token of Binance's BNB chain, has set new all-time highs twice this month. The dollar drifted higher against most peers, particularly the yen, as traders waited for the delayed release of U.S. consumer inflation data on Friday and weighed fresh U.S. sanctions on Russian oil companies, which boosted oil prices.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
The dollar-yen pair gained 0.3% in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair rose 2.1%, following a 2.3% intra-session dip. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. The gold-dollar pair gained 0.6% in the last session. The stochastic RSI indicates an overbought market. The oil-dollar pair exploded 2.0% in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.